For years, the sensible choice in a Range Rover was the diesel. It was the only way to move nearly 3 tons of luxury without stopping at every petrol station. This car is the reason that logic has finally changed. It offers more power, more silence, and a tax bracket that makes the traditional engines look like a mistake. The moment you pull away in this one, the silence is what hits you first. There is no diesel rumble or petrol vibration, just the quiet progression of a luxury cabin moving through the world. But when you find an open road and the 460 horsepower engine wakes up, the Sport badge suddenly makes complete sense. The new Range Rover Sport HSE P460e, sitting in Carpathian Grey, is a masterclass in restrained aggression. The enhanced black pack on this specific car removes the chrome and replaces it with high-gloss black accents on the grille, the hood vents, and the lettering. It makes the car look like a solid block of granite. The 21-inch wheels fill the arches perfectly, and the flush door handles give the side profile a smoothness that rivals at this price point simply cannot match. It does not look like a hybrid, it looks like a performance SUV that happens to have a charging port hidden on the rear fender. What that design signals for the interior is coming up next. Inside the cabin, the sense of isolation is immediate. The Carpathian Grey exterior is paired with an ebony perforated leather interior that feels expensive the moment you touch it. The front cabin is centered around a curved glass touchscreen that handles almost every function. There are very few physical buttons left, but the haptic feedback and logical menu structure mean you are not searching for controls while driving. The seating position is what Range Rover calls the command driving position. You sit high, looking over the horizontal dashboard, with a clear view of the front corners. It gives you a sense of confidence in tight traffic that you do not get in lower-slung rivals. Ambient lighting runs the full width of the dashboard, and whoever calibrated the default color temperature understood that a dark interior and harsh white lighting are not the same thing as a premium environment. The center console is wide and elevated. The gear selector sits where your hand already is, and the wireless charging pad is placed where you would rest your phone anyway rather than where it was convenient to engineer. At this price, the detail that earns the most trust is often the smallest one. This is the pad placement. You settle into the driver's seat, and the 20-way electric adjustment finds a position before you have finished looking for it. That range sounds like a specification on a brochure until you actually need to move the seat laterally as well as fore and aft on the same morning. In the rear cabin, the luxury continues without much compromise. Because the Sport is built on a massive platform, there is enough legroom for 3 adults to sit comfortably on a long journey. The winter pack on this car adds heated seats to the rear, and the large panoramic sunroof floods the back with light, preventing it from feeling like a dark cave. Even with the battery pack hidden beneath the floor, the seat height remains natural. You do not sit with your knees too high, which is a common problem in many plug-in hybrids. It feels like a genuine 5-person luxury lounge. The boot space is where many hybrids fail. But the Range Rover Sport manages the trade-off well. You get 450 liters of space with the seats up, which is around 15.8 cubic feet. While that is slightly less than the non-hybrid versions, the floor remains flat, and the load lip is at a sensible height for sliding in heavy suitcases. The air suspension can even lower the rear of the car at the press of a button to make loading easier. It is a thoughtful detail that proves this car was designed for real-world use, rather than just looking good in a showroom. 460 horsepower and 660 Newton-meters of combined torque. 5.6 seconds to 100 kilometers per hour, around 5.4 seconds to 60 miles per hour. For a car at 2,735 kilograms, those figures need 31.8 kilowatt-hours of usable battery to justify them. WLTP all-electric range is over 100 kilometers, around 62 miles. Real-world in mixed conditions lands between 80 and 95 kilometers on a full charge. Your daily commute fits inside that. A road trip in pure electric does not, and it is not supposed to. A 7-kilowatt home wall box provides full charge in under 5 hours. DC rapid charging covers 10 to 80% in under 60 minutes. Charge this car daily, and the WLTP combined figure of 2.9 liters per 100 kilometers, around 97 miles per gallon, starts to reflect your actual cost. Leave the battery empty consistently, and it does not. 121,660 euros at the show floor offer price, with 0% no VA in Austria. The list price on this specific car was 136,394 euros. A BMW X5 xDrive 50e at comparable specification offers a stronger depreciation curve and an established dealer network across Europe. Those are real advantages. What it does not offer is this car's EV range or the presence this badge carries. Whether what remains of the gap justifies that trade is your question to answer. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.